Learning Croatian grammar and vocabulary can be challenging, especially when many resources don't cover essential details like verb tenses or noun declensions. For example, verbs like gledati and brati both end in ti, but they conjugate differently in the present tense. Gledati becomes gledam, I watch, while brati becomes berem, I pick. However, their past tense forms follow a similar pattern, becoming gledau and brau. Having a reference that lists these variations is incredibly helpful for beginners who might not yet know all the forms. To address this need, we're compiling a comprehensive list of verbs, nouns, and adjectives, focusing on their different forms and cases. This reference aims to clear up some of the apparent inconsistencies found in existing grammar books and dictionaries. We've started with verbs, including those we've already covered, and plan to expand to nouns and adjectives in future updates. The resource is currently in PDF format, making it searchable but also wide, so you'll need to zoom in to view it comfortably. The document is organized with columns showing English meanings, the infinitive forms of Croatian verbs, verb types, transitive, perfective, imperfective, conjugation groups, and any relevant comments. Different colors highlight past, present, and future tenses, including variations by gender and person. For example, you can easily find how możesz, or you can, changes in different tenses by scrolling through the document. However, to search effectively, you'll need to use a Croatian keyboard, as searching for możesz instead of możesz might not yield the correct results. We hope you find this resource useful and look forward to adding more content, including nouns and adjectives, in the future.